Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully, just allowing your body to begin to settle, feeling supported by the surface beneath you. Take some time to notice any tension. And then give yourself permission to just soften and release. You're safe in this moment. I'd like you to bring your attention to your body. Let's start by rolling our shoulders backwards and forwards 3 times. Inhale as they lift, exhale as they drop. Now, gently rotate your wrists and ankles, loosening up the joints. Pay attention to how small, gentle movements can release tension and invite calm. I'd now like you to place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Inhale for 4 counts, feeling your belly rise. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6 counts, feeling your body soften. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now continue to do this on your own. As you breathe, just also silently say to yourself, I am safe. I am calm. I am supported. And with each inhale, imagine you are drawing in calmness. With every exhale, just release any stress, worry, or tension. I'd like you to imagine yourself standing barefoot in a quiet forest. The air is fresh and alive. Beneath your feet, soft moss and cool earth cradle your soul, grounding you in the present moment. You feel the solid, steady pulse of the earth supporting you. Around you, the world is humming gently with life. Birds calling softly from the trees. The faint rustle of leaves stirred by a soft breeze. The distant whisper of a stream winding its way through stones. You notice the air brushing your skin, feeling cool in the shadows and warm where sunlight filters through the canopy. You take a slow, deep breath in, drawing in the scent of pine, damp soil, and wildflowers. Feel that calm, steady energy rising through your body, filling you with ease. As you exhale, imagine releasing all that tension, all those worries, fear, and restlessness, just simply melting away, flowing down into the ground to be absorbed by Mother Earth. With each breath, you feel more connected, more rooted, more safe, as if nature itself is lovingly holding you. Now, gently sway your body side to side, like a tree in the wind, in sync and harmony with your breath. And if you're lying down, just allow your arms to float slightly outwards and back, and sway those. As you move, imagine a calming sensation from your heart, expanding throughout your entire body, your arms and hands, chest and shoulders, your belly and back, legs and feet. Let your body absorb the calm and release tension with every motion. Now place your attention on your heart space. Picture a soft, warm light glowing there. Inhale. The light expands through your chest. Exhale. The light spreads through your body, filling every cell. Silently repeat to yourself, I am calm. I am safe. I am supported. Imagine this light connecting you directly to nature, flowing through roots into the earth, and then up into the sky, and surrounding you with a protective, loving presence. Take a moment to visualize yourself moving through your day with this calm energy. See yourself responding with ease, noticing moments of tension, and then returning to your breath and heart light. Know that you can carry this calm anywhere with you, simply by taking a slow breath, grounding your feet, and repeating inwardly, I am calm, I am safe, I am supported. Now take another deep breath in and exhale fully, gently wiggling your fingers and toes, slowly stretching your arms or your legs if you like. When you're ready, open your eyes and notice your body, soft and relaxed. Your breath, slow and steady. Your mind, clearer and calmer. Carry this sense of safety and calm with you throughout the day.